How to fix login problems or account access issues on Instagram app. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can go ahead and then log in to your Instagram account and fix the account issues as well. So to get started, all you have to do is make sure to open the Instagram app, and as you can currently see that I'm logged in. Now most of the times if you're not being able to log in, what you want to do is long press the Instagram app icon here, tap the I button, then just scroll down to storage, clear cache, and also make sure to clear the data. Then only you can just open up the Instagram application here, as you can see. Then once you open the Instagram app, if you've been having issues trying to log into your account, if your account is saved, then you can log in with the saved account, or if not, then you can tap on log into another account here. Then you can just select this option called forgotten password, and then you can simply go ahead and then make sure to enter the username of your Snapchat, of your Instagram account. So let me also go ahead and then do that as well. Once I've entered the username, I'll tap on find account, and Instagram will show me ways on how I can get my account back. So I can either get a code link via email, or I can get it via SMS, or I can enter my password to log in. If you don't have access to either of these and you still want access to your account, you can just select no longer have access to these options over here. Once you do that, it will ask you to choose a way to recover your Instagram account, but again we don't have either of these, so you might just want to select try another way here. Once you select try another way, it is just going to ask you to confirm it in many different ways in order to successfully go ahead and then recover your Instagram account. But to give you a basic idea, this way you can fix the login problems and account access issues. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.